Okay, welcome to another one. Linking on the back of the last video, I'm just going to do a little bit of a noise test. So that is going to include a standing bit of a rev up just for sort of a few seconds, and then just to start away, not a launch start or anything like that, but just so you can get a flavour of the sound. Now when I do track days, it normally gets tested at anywhere between about 95 and 100. It's got the BBR manifold, the BBR centre pipe with the 200 cell cat on it. Obviously the manifold has got no cat on whatsoever, and the Cobra full race back box. So it is quite loud. It's a bit of a drone on the motorway as well, but it's a question that gets asked often, you know, sort of how loud it is. So I'm just going to start it up, rev it up a couple of times, then get out, just turn the camera a little bit so it's facing down the road, and then just set off, and the camera will continue to roll. I'll turn around just at the bottom there, won't be long, and I'll be back up, so you'll be able to hear me sort of come up and down. Okay, so here we go. Here's the so that's going to tick over, give it sort of half rev. Crackle, it's quite loud, I know that, and there it is now on tick over. Tick over's not too bad, so I'll just point the camera down there a little bit and move that out of the way, and I'll keep this rolling, and I'll see you in a minute. And there we go. Thanks for watching.